ICE January Brent rose 1.7% to $65.20. Top 5 forces moving crude oil prices on November 11, 2025. First, Ukraine drone strikes hit Russian refineries. Ukraine hit Saratov and Orsk refineries. Fires reported at the 135,000 barrels per day Saratov site and a key Crimean oil terminal. Second, Iran nears 4 million barrels per day output. Iran's crude production averaged 3.95 million barrels per day in 2024-25, close to its 4.15 million barrels per day capacity despite budget constraints. Third, India strengthens energy ties with Angola. India imported 94,000 barrels per day from Angola in January-October. Angola's output rose to 1.059 million barrels per day in September, data show. Fourth, sanctions pressure Serbian refinery NIS. Serbia's 96,000 barrels per day Pančevo refinery may halt by November 25 after U.S. sanctions. Russian owners seek sale to avoid closure. Fifth, Nigeria to launch new oil bid round. Nigeria starts a new oil licensing round December 1. Goal, add 1 million barrels per day. Current output about 1.7 million barrels per day of crude.